Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a 150 watts USB-C charger. Can be used for computers and smartphones. You get some further information. Is GaN for port as well. You can see three USB-C, and one says also power delivery. And that's more information. So USB C1 plus C2, 67 plus 30 watts. Maybe C1 plus C3. No, does it say which one is C1, C3? Because it doesn't in the instructions. So that's looks very similar to other brands out there. Yeah, C1, C2, C3. So if you're using C1 with C2, obviously you get up to 97 watts maximum. So you will split between. One channel will give less. If you use C1 with C3, that will be 100 plus 45, like it says in there. C2, C3, that's 145 again. C3 and A, so C3 and A, that must be 45 and 18. Actually, no, it's less than that. So it's 30 and 18. That becomes 30. That's 18. Yeah. So let's have a quick test. Also comes with this. I like the rubber fit. See, so you could stay like that rather than standing up. I guess you can still keep it standing up. Looks like it has a light LED. So yeah, let me just quickly plug it in. Okay guys, so ready to plug it in. As you can see, it has a blue LED. Fortunately, my plug is not very long. No other lights. Let's have a listen. It has a buzzing noise inside, which is not very loud. But let's see if we charge a laptop. Okay guys, so a couple of chargers in here. This one I'm gonna use to try to charge a laptop. Nice that it has also a display, so we'll see how much power it's using. So let's try first just to charge a laptop. We'll use port C1, and let me bring you the laptop and see how much power is draining. So let's have a quick look. And plug that into C. Oh, sorry, I put it the other way around, so we'll see. Yeah, so currently it's showing 40, 50. Okay, so it's kind of taking 60. Up to 65. As you can see, the laptop is charging. There's no other noise. So on the 100 watts port, it's taking that and it's charging my laptop. As you can see, there's a LED right there. So now if I take it out from here and then if I plug it in into this 45 one, is it still charging my laptop? No. Actually it does, but it does it probably slower. It shows about 36, 37. You see? Cool. So definitely you want to charge your laptop using one of the C1 or C2 ports like this, because it makes more sense. Now I'm gonna try and charge a phone as well, an iPhone. So I'll just plug this into this port where it says 18 watts. That should be enough for fast charging. So let me bring the phone and let's see if it's charging and what's happening with the voltage in here. So let's just have a quick look when I'm gonna plug in. If it resets, then it's like showing 40, 39. Probably this laptop is also almost charged, so it doesn't need to take that much. But let's see when I plug this into the phone, if that cuts out or carries on. No, it carries on charging, as well as the phone is charging now. So at the moment we have two devices charging. So let's just take, we have another one so we can charge. Actually this is not good because you need another USB-C. Let me find one. Actually, let me do this. So if I unplug this and instead, but I can't because that's USB-C. Oh, Apple, finally you went to USB-C. So let's just use another USB-C cable I have around. It needs to be USB-C to USB-C. That's the problem. Let me find one. Okay. So another USB-C to USB-C. We'll plug it in here, and we'll charge. That's still cold to touch. That's just a blue LED. Doesn't changes if you're charging or anything. It would be nice if you see it like maybe red and while power goes through. I'm gonna try and charge my headphones as well, and you can see it's charging, but I can see that one reset because the phone went down a bit, and I guess it's because it's in the same, and it splits the charge now. But what happens if I plug it into this one? As you can see, yeah, that one resets as well because it splits the charge. So now it's still charging this fine. That's still charging. So yeah, everything works well. I think it's best to stay with the laptop connected to this one, and maybe have something that's not that powerful charging on that, so then you'll make the most of the 100 watts. And then below you want to charge devices that doesn't require that much power. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Loads of wires still, because it's just a test. This one usually helps you tidy up your desk a bit more, so you could have it on the desk like that. Wire goes out, and then you use them as you need. But whatever you try, you will still have loads of wires around. It's not easy to get over that. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys.